Para ni sa mga VA nga hapit na mo surrender. Para ni sa katong sige apply pero walay reply. Sakit sa heart no? Feel nimo gihatag naman nimo tanan, gihatag na nimo ang tanan nga kinahanglan unta nga mahibaw-an sa kliyente aron ma-convince sila nga i-hire ka pero nganon dili man kanila tawagan for interview. Yung nganon dili man kanila i-hire. Tara ang rason. You are being protected from that client. The client who did not hire you is not the right client for you. So if mo surrender na ka karon, nakadawat kag 5 rejection emails, ang ako ikasultian na is 5 ra. Di na nako maihap kung pila ka book akong gi-applyan sa una ug kapila ko nakadawat og rejection email and kapila pug ko wala ma-replyan. But I kept going because a yes or a no from a potential client is data. Kolektaha na nga mga data, use that to help you adjust the way you're applying. If you enter the VA life, your most useful superpower will be managing your emotions. Kay sayon kayo manghinaya nga dili ka i-accept. O pag ka-accept, kung gibiyaan ka sa imong ex. But if you don't get accepted to a job that you're applying for, it just means that job was not for you. When I first started in my freelance journey, kapila po ko nang apply, kapila po ko na reject, until I found one client who trusted me enough to assign me so many different tasks nga daghan kay kong nakatunan. After that, I gained confidence. She also gave me referrals. You will never forget your first client. So if hantod karon, sige gihapon kag dawat og rejection email. Let me ask, are you tracking all the applications that you sent? Are you tracking all the interviews that you went to? Are you tracking all the rejection letters that you got? Maybe you are applying to the wrong industry. So try a different strategy. Use your data. Use your data to improve the way you're choosing your potential clients. Because if you quit now, you will never know. Ang sunod din mong applyan mo na to ang client ni mo nga mo say og yes. So manage your emotions, collect more data from your applications and improve your strategy. Kung luoran ka, ayaw na lang pag virtual assistant.